Two veteran trade unionists are not in agreement with the salary adjustments announced by President Afanali for members of the discipline services. Lincoln Lewis and Norris Witter reminded the President of the Constitution, which speaks to the right to collective bargaining, and accused the head of state of creating division between the ranks of wages and salary earners.
The Constitution speaks to collective bargaining. In the United States, you don't have that. In Britain, you don't have that. But you get it here, where the Constitution say. Constitution say, but the right to collective bargaining. And in the Trade Union Recognition Law, 23(1), it says, where the Trade Union Recognition Board has recognized, has issued a certificate of recognition, recognizing a trade union, the employer has the responsibility to negotiate with that trade union in good faith. Let him go and first talk with the PSC. Anything that he does outside of collective bargaining is ultra-virus the law. And I wish the President to understand that I will be on the road and I will constantly criticize. It is not quantity. It is about the process that has been applied. But in this specific case, let me tell you, he hasn't done anything, the 8% or what he intends to give to the discipline services and so on. We don't know if it's this year or it looks like it's next year, then we'll get that. You know what they're doing? It's the same thing again. Like what they talk about discipline service, is divide and rule. Divide and rule.
By giving to the disciplinary service a higher increase than the other sections of the public service. And by doing it not only separately, but at a different juncture, right? What you are actually doing is further creating division within the ranks of the wage and salary earners.
The trade unionists were picketing in front of the office of the President today, calling for the rights of workers and the rule of law to be respected. Witter said the union is always open to negotiation.
Who respect the rule of law, who believe that Ghana should be a rule-based country, and we are always open to negotiation. We are not the ones who have been violating the Constitution, the law, and the treaties and the convention. It is Ali, ask him. We are always open. We cannot do otherwise. We are decent people. We are honorable people, right? So we are waiting on those who are opposite to what I've just said, right? So whenever they are willing to invite us, we are prepared and willing to meet and to discuss.
On Thursday, President Ali announced adjustment of salaries for members of the discipline services, and this is in addition to the 8% increase previously announced for public servants. He said that these revisions to the salaries of members of the discipline services will benefit an estimated 8,000 persons.